Topic for discussion is classification of solids based on band theory. Okay, this is important topic. So, major classes of solids. Two major classes in general we have. First of all, metals or conductors. Metals are nothing but conductors. A solid in which electric current flows under the application of an electric field are called metals. Contrast to this, application of electric field produces no electric current in insulators. Insulator electric current jimane dia hok I ketiao application ami jimane nokore electric field electric current pass nokore or produce nokore. So metal ba conductor bilake in presence of electric field it produces electric current. Band theory statement. From the band theory, we can distinguish metals and insulators in another way. According to the statement, a band which is completely filled, full carriers, no electric current, even in the presence of an electric field. G2 bandot carrier, tamane electron bilak full hoye thake, completely full hoye thake, jibilak energy bandot, tat jimane electric field dia nohok kyo kuno dhoroner electric current poa najabo. Thus, a solid behaves as a metal only when some of the bands are partially occupied. Mane complete full hobo nalaibo, partially full hobo laibo, eta part blank thakibo laibo, tetiahe solid tue metalor nisina behavior dekhabo ba electron conduction electron thakibo. Conductors. Let us see what are the conductors. For sodium atom, the energy levels as per distribution of electrons is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3p, ts1. We see that the valence band is half filled. The 3s is the valence band, it is half filled. And the other inner bands are filled completely. Sodium atom has a single thrice valence electron. Sodium atom bilakot etai valence electron thake thrice band. If the solid sodium has n atoms, its thrice valence electron will contain n energy levels, and capital N valence electron will fill in pairs only lower half of the energy levels of the band. Sodium jodi eta sodium solidot eta pisot jodi capital N numbers of atom thake titehole that capital N energy level thakibo valence electronor karone. So n valence electron will fill in pairs, tamne duta ke jodi thake pair hisabot thakibo titia eta half part of the valence band will be filled, the other half will be empty. Okay. On application of electric field, valence electrons acquire additional energy to move to the higher unoccupied energy levels within the same band without crossing the forbidden region. So, eketa bandote forbidden region to cross no korake electron khini higher energy level, unoccupied higher level jabo paribo. When electric field is applied, electric field apply kora loge loge valence electron bilake additional energy eta pabo, energy to power loge loge eketa bandote higher energy unoccupied energy level le jump koribo paribo. The unoccupied band into which electron can pass is termed is called conduction band. Aru jitu unoccupied band thake half filled hoye jot electron na thake jitu bandot he band to conduction band boli koa hoy. Electric field apply kora loge loge energy kinetic energy pabo, kinetic energy power loge loge electron bilake valence band or conduction band goi current produce koribo. The moving electron constitute an electric current, thus sodium is a good conductor of electricity. In metals, the valence band itself is also the conduction band. Metal bilakot actually valence band aru conduction band overlapping hoy thake. So conduction band aru valence band eketai thake, khali half fill hoy thake metal bilakot. So ituke koa hoise. Next, insulators. For insulators, the energy gap between valence band and conduction band is very large, which is greater than 5 electron volt. Empty conduction band and filled valence band থাকিব তাৰ মাজৰ যেটো forbidden gap থাকে হেতু approximately 6 electron band এটু কাৰ কাৰণে হয় ডায়মণ্ডৰ কাৰণে এটু 6 electron volt so applied electric field cannot give this large amount of energy to move electrons to conduction band electric field apply কৰিলে ইমানখিনি এনার্জি দিব নোৱাৰে যে ইলেক্ট্ৰনটো গৈ ভ্যালেন্স বেণ্ডৰ পৰা গৈ এম্পটি বেণ্ড পাবগৈ পাৰে এই ফৰবিডেন গেপটো ক্ৰস কৰিব পৰাকে এনার্জিখিনি ইলেক্ট্ৰিক ফিল্ডে দিব নোৱাৰে যাৰ কাৰণে these solids behave like insulators conduction বেণ্ডলৈ ইলেক্ট্ৰন নগলে তাত কিটিও conduction ইলেক্ট্ৰন পোৱা না যাব so conduction electron nathakile it will behave like insulators no current will flow due to this type of solids jodi energy gap to bahut beshi hoy electron bilak jabo nore jar babe ebilak insulator range ot poribo enekwa solid bilak sob insulator hobo the next semiconductors so as you know the semiconductors resistivity lies between insulator and conductors. The crystal structure of silicon is almost similar to that of diamond. Diamond or silicon or crystal structure prior. Only thing is that the width of forbidden gap in silicon is 1.1 electron volt. Approximately it is 1.1 electron volt. So what happens in case of silicon? Silicon or diamond or structure prior. Kintu silicon electric it is forbidden gap to hold 1.1 electron volt 1.1 electron volt that is approximately 1 electron volt so the forbidden gap is very small that is why due to room temperature some the electrons can jump from this valence band to conduction band leaving some gaps these are the vacancies due to when electrons move to the conduction band due to room temperature some vacancies are produced here and electrons can jump even at room temperature because the forbidden gap is very small. This forbidden gap is very small that is why these electrons can jump to this conduction band. So at room temperature also some electrons can move in freely in the conduction band. These electrons are sufficient to permit a limited amount of current to flow when an electric field is applied. Electric field apply korar loge loge এই free electron bilake current produce koribo germanium silicon etc behave like conductors at higher temperatures even though they are insulators at very low temperature ebilak insulator hisabe kam kore aru higher temperature jetia temperature beshi hoy electric field apply korar loge loge they behave like conductors that is why they are called semiconductors okay thanks this is all about